Let the front porch of this home welcome you home. The inside is just as amazing. The foyer, the open living/eating/kitchen area will invite you in with the white cabinetry and open shelves. This versatile floor plan offers 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths that include the primary bedroom with ensuite bath. The large laundry area makes it very functional and useful. Outside you will find a fully fenced with privacy fencing, a shed workshop that has electricity, a fire pit area and play structure. This home is perfect for entertaining or just enjoying a quiet night in. There is something to wow everyone. For more information on this property, please call Naomi Race of Realty One Group Select at 704-774-9710 www.smilesandkeys.com.